Jean-Claude, I'm Julie Moran from Movie Time. I'm here for the interview.
Hi, Julie. I'm just training right now. But you know what? Let's train together. Follow me. Come in, come in.
So, Jean-Claude, tell me about Bloodsport.
It's a long story.
Oh, no.
It's about a secret fight, secret event, happening every 5 years with the best fighter all over the world in Hong Kong.
So Bloodsport is about some secret fight?
All the best fighter all over the world for each different country. Karate, sumo, Thai boxer, boxing, karate, everything. And the best win the event.
Now, tell me this. Most martial arts specialists are not strong. I mean, they need flexibility, but yet you're a bodybuilder. How does that all work?
Because I train a different way. I used to train in the morning, stretching, karate, sparring. And at night, I train in the gym, like here, with weights, to mix both of them. Keep going, keep going.
Okay. So, Jean-Claude, how did you get in with Cannon Films?
In Bloodsport?
Yeah.
It's a funny story. I always want to meet Menachem Golan because, you know, he's #1 action film in the States right now, especially on karate, ninja film and everything. So I call Cannon and I say, I've got an important meeting with Menachem. He knows me, I'm leaving tomorrow for France. And I didn't tell the truth, by the way, but Menachem is a very curious person. So he said, who's that guy? He knows me, I don't know him. I want to see that guy. So when I met him the first time, I did my split.
Right.
I show my muscles, and I say I'm the best, and I'm not too expensive right now. Take me now. He said, you got it. This is Bloodsport.
Wow. A lot of people are comparing you to Bruce Lee. How do you feel about that?
I think Bruce Lee is Bruce Lee, and Jean-Claude Van Damme is Jean-Claude Van Damme.
So, Jean-Claude, how long are we going to keep this up?
About 30 minutes, and then some sparring.
Fine. No problem. Sparring?
Needless to say, I was beginning to have second thoughts about sparring.
Good training. Thanks a lot, my friend. I get you.
Am I going to die for cable TV?
Come on, Julie. Come on, let's spar.
Wait a minute. I'm just curious. Can you break boards with your hand?
Yeah.
Can you break bricks with your head?
Sure.
Oh, can you do this?
This?
That's good, yeah. Can you do this?
Wait. This.
Like that, yeah, that's very good. Very good. Hold it, just hold it right.
Jesus.
With Jean-Claude Van Damme, I'm Julie Moran from Movie Time.
She should go in a comité. I am better than this guy, and this guy. Sign me. I mean, just for the part. Right away, he said, Karin, give me Bloodsport. So that's my film. He gave me the script and he said, you've got the lead. We start shooting in 3 months. And I'm going to pay for my flight ticket, my hotel expenses, but I want to go there just to be with her. And you get me for free in your magazine. The guy said, hey, it's a wonderful deal. So I met Gladys in Mexico, and a few months later, we married.
Champion de karaté à 19 ans, il part disputer les mondiaux en Floride, coup de foudre. Un an plus tard, il revient aux États-Unis, à Los Angeles, cette fois, coup de grâce.
You know those comics books from USA in that time? I was dreaming about Spider-Man, Superman, all those people, so I start training to build myself.